Pansit.
Sarap ng mga pagkain. Pusit
and pansit. Ano to?
Ganyan na lang.
Pansit.
Walang tignan natin. Karne na may gulay.
Karne na may gulay. Ito parang curry.
Ito parang pinakbet. So, pinakbet. Ito, adobo. Adobong may itlog.
Ito din sa Rwanda mo dito. Wow. Ito, taga Toronto yan. Taga Canada.
Kaya lang Toronto.
Taga Toronto daw. Plus we have chicken. Of course, rice. Di ba wawala ang rice? Okay, we have ito favorite to. Ito. Lumpiang hubad. Ito, ano to? Lechon. Lechon kawali. Lechon paksiw. Ito, masarap dito. Gulay. Chapsuy. Yeah, chapsuy.
I think this is morning. Oh my goodness.
And then, pansit from Chinese again. Yung nandun, pansit from Filipino.
Karong ano? Bumili ako ng dalawa, sabi ko para doon sa DC. Kasi wala nang naiwan.
Madali nawawala.
We're waiting for the election to be done. So, kung sino pa ang gusto members, we're waiting for other members. We're waiting.
James, bilangin mo nga uli ang taong kilala.
Anna have children.
We're waiting for the rest. These are the DFAA candidates. Ayan. Wala pa. So we...
Okay, bibilangin natin ulit tayo ha. Okay. Roll call ha. Start ha. Say 1.
Ang ating nakaano sa election. Yan, patapos eh. Yes. Ayan sila. So we're waiting for the result.
Hindi mo moto sa akin. Galit sa akin.
Hindi naman nila malalaman. Anyway.
Sampu yung bumoto. 15 ang ano, ang gagalit sa akin.
Hindi sisa is pala yun kasi 10 lang. Ano? 26
yes, we're waiting for the result. Kasi hindi lahat mananalo. Pero of course, si James, sigurado na yan kasi siya ang president-elect. So we'll see. Hindi man, it's alright. Bye for now.
Lucy Mamuyak, sulat niya lang.
Number 1, Lucy. Congratulations.
Secretary.
Sino yung dalawang hindi bumoto?
Ha?
Sino yung
May
dalawang
mga hindi bumoto.
Sino yung dalawang hindi bumoto sa kanya?
Number 2. Sino?
Number 2,
Sunny Payton.
23, Sunny.
Number 3. Shirley Mataverde, 22. Number 4.
Mary Chris. Number 5.
Ay, nako,
Sino?
ikisabi naman kasi nagsusulat din ako.
Number 5.
You will see it.
Number 4 sino?
No. You will see it here. Once they're done.
Number 4, Marie Chris.
Number
Okay.
5 is number 5.
5,
Edwin.
Edwin.
And isa pa.
Anong number? Number 5 po.
Susan. Good.
Susan. Sa dalawang 5 din. Dalawang isa. Hindi pwede. 5 na reho?
Yeah.
Susan is number 6.
6. Kasi mag-tayo.
19 days sa
Then
Susan.
7.
10.
Two more.
Okay, dalawa na lang. Sino nasunod? 17. 16. Sino 16?
16 is
Erwin. 16. 11 yun.
One more.
Robert.
Jobeth is 15.
Dalawa yung 15. Mario taka Jobert.
Paano yan? May tie.
15.
15. Naka Mario.
May tie. Robert and Mario po. Tie sa number 12. Number 12 lahat. May tie po si Mario at saka
Highest voter, Lucy Mamuya. Congratulations sa police. Papa Majum pa. Number 2, Sunny Payton. Number 3, Shirley Mataverde. Number 4, Maricris Gadjo. Every weekend, mag-a-attend na ng meeting yan. Mag-o-off na yan. Every weekend. See you here every week. Alright.
Every week?
Hindi, every month.
Sabi mo kanina.
Kakanta pa yan. Ayan, every month. Maricris, alright. Number 5 is Edwin Almirol. Congratulations! Okay, number 6 is Susan Good.
Susan.
Number 7, Nina Stasia. Congratulations. Welcome. Number 8 is Perlita Ramos.
Perlita.
Number 9, Frelyn Busini. Welcome.
Welcome, Perlita.
Number 10, Eden Concepcion.
Eden.
11, Erolyn.
Yes.
4 is Perlita Ramos with 18 points. And the other 18 points is Nina Stasia. Alright. They are tied. Frelyn Busini 17 points and also Eden Concepcion are also tied. Alright, yeah. Nasa na tayo? Nasa 9. 9 is... Sino yung 9 natin?
No, 11
9.
na, Erolyn.
Oh,
Praylin.
10, okay. Eden Concepcion 11 is Erolyn.
Erolyn.
12 is Jobert Carillo and Mario Rico. 12, 13. So we have 13. So after this, we're gonna have the advisory board as well. Of course, we're gonna pick up the advisory board and also the ano yun, mga
Investment.
investment and all of that will be
yeah.